Your Excellency and dear brother, President Tayyip Recep Erdogan, Your Excellency President Hassan Sheikh Mohammed, honorable ministers, distinguished members of the press. First, I would like to thank President Tayyip Recep Erdogan, his government, and the people of Turkey for the warm welcome and generous hospitality. I take this opportune moment to express appreciation for the government of Turkey's commitment to peace efforts in the Horn of Africa. President Erdogan has taken the initiative to facilitate a series of discussions at the foreign minister level between the fraternal nations of Ethiopia and Somalia over the past few months. These efforts have culminated in today's meeting at the level of the leaders with a commitment to address misunderstandings that have transpired over the course of the past year. As neighbors, Ethiopia and Somalia have endured relations for centuries. We are not only neighbors, but brothers and sisters whose fates have been bound by blood. Not only do Ethiopians and Somalis share common ancestry, language, and culture, but we are also held together with the blood sacrifice that has been paid by thousands of Ethiopian soldiers in defense of the security of the state of Somalia from terrorist forces. While I am very grateful for the efforts of many to facilitate discussions over the past year, ours was never a case fit for third-party intervention. Rather, it was meant to be a family dialogue. Over the past 6 years, Ethiopia has asserted its commitment to regional integration, not only in words, but in tangible needs. I strongly believe, as does my government, that the growth and stability of the Horn of Africa regions is premised on mutual development. Peace and growth is a shared dividend. Allow me to assert here again that Ethiopia's aspiration for secure and reliable access to the sea is a peaceful venture and one that would benefit all our neighbors. With the growing youth population, the demands for our economy warrant such access. Enabling this economic dynamism and growth is then a positive undertaking with undeniable positive spillover effects to the wider Horn region. Hence, a venture that must be met in the spirit of cooperation and not suspicion. I believe that today's constructive discussions will push us into a new year with this spirit of cooperation, friendship, and the willingness to work together instead of against each other. Once again, I thank President Tayyip Recep Erdogan and the people of Turkey, as well as His Excellency Hassan Sheikh, for convening this meeting, also for concluding in a win-win approach. I thank you.